While in Portugal, the land of stunning cities, we took a couple of days to head down south and explore their breathtaking beaches in Algarve. Our first stop was Albufeira Beach, which was located a short walk from our hotel. We enjoyed a quick picnic on the beach as the stunning turquoise waves crashed before us. The beach was not crowded that day, which made it perfect for a relaxing afternoon and a long walk along the shore. After soaking up some sun, we took a walk through the old town nearby, checking out the local stores and restaurants. We decided to stop for some happy hour drinks and a delicious shrimp appetizer. After heading back to our hotel to freshen up for the night, our next stop was the Strip to enjoy the well-known Albufeira nightlife. This long street of nightclubs, bars, restaurants, and cafes is buzzing all day and stays that way well into the early hours of the morning. The Strip, which is reminiscent of Vegas, is beaming with colorful lights and vibrant music. It's a popular destination for bachelor and bachelorette parties. While on the Strip for the night, we visited Matt's bar and enjoyed some delicious drinks and entertainment with the Mechanical Bull. To end off the night, we enjoyed some delicious local delicacies, including grilled sardines and peri-peri chicken. We kicked off day 2 by checking out the marina and then heading to Lagos. With incredible views of the deep blue waters and limestone rocks, the Puente Piedad was one of the finest natural features of Algarve. As we climbed down, surrounding us were rock arches, hidden grottos, and the rugged waves which crashed beneath us. We recommend wearing comfortable shoes when visiting the Puente Piedad, as there are several flights of stairs and paths to take for the view of a lifetime. Our next stop on this beach tour was Praia de Camilo. Over 200 steps take you down to one of the smaller beaches in Lagos. Red rocks cover the back of the beach and a small tunnel leads you to the other side of the shore. It's best to visit this beach earlier in the day, as the tide does rise quite high towards the late afternoon. We then made a quick stop for some pastries and gelato to cool down while checking out the local boutiques in this picturesque town nearby. Our last beach stop was Praia de Sao Rafael, which was by far our favorite beach in Algarve. Once again surrounded by bright orange cliffs, this beach had the cleanest white sand and crystal clear azure waters. Mossy rocks and rugged arches give this beach a charm of its own. To end off the night, we had a time of our lives in the old town. We enjoyed some delicious drinks and live music at Meat Bar. The service and entertainment here was memorable to say the least, and we danced the night away. Cheers to another Portuguese adventure, this time exploring the stunning natural beauty that this country has to offer.